Hey everyone, welcome back to AD Finance. So today we are going to talk about two major stock splits that's happening in couple of months now, and they are the biggest so far in this year. And I'm going to talk about what those are, what are the dates that they carry, and what are the strategies that you can use to make advantage of this stock splits, right? So stick till the end of this video, and we are going to discuss all about that. With that, let's start. So before we dive deeper into the stocks, right, let's quickly cover what a stock split is, right? So simply put, the stock split is when a company increases the number of its outstanding shares by dividing existing shares into multiple shares, right? So think of it like a pizza, right? You just cut into the pieces, but your overall company is still the same. So that's the same analogy you can put think of as a stock split, right? It does not change the value of the company. It just makes it more accessible to the investors to put their money. Okay, when I go into the examples of the stocks, I'm gonna touch upon this in more detail, but for now let's just think of the stock split is nothing more than just breaking the price of that stock in multiple pieces. Okay, now coming to the stock, right? So the first one is Netflix, right? So that's gonna be the biggest one, and that's ticker symbol NTLX. And Netflix, as you all know, right, it's a global streaming giant known for its subscription based platform offering a vast variety of movies, TVs, shows, documentaries, and original content, right? So everything is in Netflix. They have with over 230 million paid subscribers worldwide. Netflix generates annual revenues exceeding more than $60 billion, right? It's a dominant player in entertainment, constantly investing in new and diverse content to grow and retain its user base. So that's the Netflix. I'm sure everyone has heard of it. Now about the numbers, right? Okay, so Netflix recently announced a huge 10 for one stock split. That means if you currently own one share of Netflix stock, after the splits, you're gonna hold 10 shares. So naturally, the share price will adjust accordingly, dropping to about 1/10 of its current price. So let's take an example, right? So let's say right now it's trading at I think 1122 per share, which is more than like 1100. After the split, the price per share will be roughly around $112, but you will have 10 times as many shares. Okay, this split is aimed at making Netflix shares more accessible to a wider range of investors. So that's what happens with these big companies, right? So with the big share prices. So Netflix right now, if let's say example of options trading, right? If you have to put if you have to open a cash secured put in a Netflix, you will need more than $100,000 to make just one contract of Netflix. But with this split, now after the split, you're gonna just need $11,000 for opening one contract. Okay, so now the dates, right? So here are the key dates to remember. If you are a stockholder on November 10th, you will receive your additional shares on November 14th. Okay, and the stock will start trading at the post split price on November 17th. So that's when all the exchanges will basically reflect these prices. So when you open on November 17th, you will see the post split adjusted price for Netflix. That's the major split that's coming up, and major advantage, more money is gonna pour into the market, into this stock, and it's a prime opportunity to go big in the options trading, right? Because now it's gonna be more accessible. You can do all the strategies. I have a lot of videos around them: cash secured, covered call, PMCC, any option strategies that's gonna be accessible to a lot of investors, and that's gonna make these prices go up further, right? As long as the current market conditions hold. So definitely take advantage of that. Now let's talk about the second one, which is ServiceNow, ticker symbol NOW. If you are in anything related to IT, you would have definitely heard about them. They are basically a leading cloud-based software platform that automates business workflows to improve efficiency across departments like IT, HR, customer service, and security operations. And this company serves thousands of enterprise customers worldwide. ServiceNow generates annual revenue of approximately 10 billion in its latest fiscal year, and that reflects a strong position in the enterprise software market. Okay, now coming to the split, right? So ServiceNow has announced a 5-for-1 stock split. So right now it's trading at around 919. It's more than $900 per share. So post split, the share price will drop to approximately 184. Like same as Netflix, it's just gonna be 5-for-1, right? But the phenomena of a stock split remains same. Now this split is pending the stockholders approval, which is going to happen on December 5th. So once they approve that, it will make owning and trading ServiceNow more accessible. Okay. So now, about the company performance, ServiceNow stock is down a bit this year. However, over the last 5 years, right, they are up 77%. So it's still a strong company to put your money into. With the stock split coming in, it's gonna make it more accessible. So definitely do your due diligence and look at this stock split. This is gonna be a good opportunity for you to make money with, especially with options trading. I'm gonna be looking both of them, and I'm definitely interested in opening some options contract position on these. Okay, so that was about the stock split. Let's quickly summarize this, right? So two stocks, Netflix 10-for-1 split happening mid-November, and the second one is ServiceNow, that's 5-for-1, that's happening likely early December pending the approval that I explained. So again, on the quick recap, a stock split does not change the overall value of the investment, but they do make the shares more affordable, and it increases the liquidity, which is a very positive indicator for the investors. Now let me know what you think about these. If you are gonna make any option strategies, put those strategies down in the comment below. Any questions around them, definitely ask those questions. I do read all my comments and I will reply to that. With that, I'm closing this one. Happy investing, guys. Bye bye.